StoneSet is suitable in a range of applications where a porous stone surface course is desired or old concrete needs refreshing with a new surface coat. Resin-bound surface course consists of aggregate particles fully coated with chemically curing, UV-stable, flexible, crystal-clear resin, and StoneSet comes with a 10-year guarantee. Our technology helps to meet the increased demand for water-sensitive urban design and is used to help reduce flooding and surface runoff, improve the health of trees while maintaining a safe, low-maintenance, accessible for all hard surface. StoneSet provides a sustainable alternative to cheaper concrete, asphalt or other porous rubber blends. It is uniquely classed as a natural stone, soft landscaping solution, favourable with council objectives. Our stone is locally sourced and we measure and supply the perfect, guaranteed, quality-controlled blend of resin to stone.